How to move Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Authenticator app. It's shown in all black screen because you cannot record Microsoft Authenticator app. Simply click on three dots located on top right. Then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll find Backup option. Simply backup. After you backed up everything, it will show you backup success or everything backed up on your Microsoft account. After you're done, simply download Microsoft Authenticator on your new phone and log in with the email. And you're good to go. That's how you move Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.